Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. This channel, it's all about home decorating, glam tablescape, shopping haul, thrifting hauls, home tour, and a little bit of DIY. This video, I'm giving you a tour of my kitchen and dining room. Welcome to my kitchen and dining room tour in Mackenzie-inspired Valentines decorating ideas.
And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open.
Salad plate from Home Goods last year.
I'm gonna lock my door and stay.
Napkin ring from Mackenzie Childs.
I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where
All the items that you see today, I shop my home. I also used this last year, I believe, on our finale. Basically the salad plate.
don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad.
Napkin ring from Mackenzie Childs. My salad plate from TG Maxx.
It just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. No one can break me, no one can bring me down.
In my centerpiece, I reused my flower from my great room, and this vase right here I thrifted 2 years ago.
It hurts so
The candles came from Hobby Lobby last year.
I wanna stay wide.
My runner from Home Goods and my placemat from Home Goods as well.
Though it hurts so bad,
Let's move on to my kitchen area. Here, my flower vase or flower arrangement I thrifted from Salvation Army, and top of that I used the Dollar Tree placemat.
I wanna stay.
The heart wreath came from TG Maxx last year. Over here I have the salt and pepper from Mackenzie Childs, and again I reuse my Dollar Tree red roses. Shout out to my followers, Maria of Texas. She sent this Mackenzie Childs kettle to me. Now, she was stationed in Germany and she was in the service. She is half Filipino and half American.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody
This video, I was invited to be a guest of a close collaboration which is called the Mackenzie Child's Inspired, hosted by D of Designers Loft, and the co-hosts are N of Luxury Living with N, Solly of My Style My Colors, Fabi of Arrows DIY, Deborah of Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Antoinette of Antoinette Decorating, and Tamara of Love My Babies Forever. Everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to their channel and tell them I sent you. Their link will be in my description box along with the playlist. And if you're from their channel, thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you enjoy.
Any braver, 'cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway.
If you like this video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified.
I'm looking for your attention.
Don't forget to follow me in Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Also, my website is up. It is www.glamourellen. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.